What is up, investors? Jason here. So really big news with Cardano, because as we're looking over at the crypto market at this moment, we can see that there still is a lot of red. We still have a bunch of fear over in the crypto market, and Cardano is one that is currently up over 9% at the time of making this video, which is a great thing. It's one of the few that are in the green. And this comes at a time where we're seeing the crypto fearing greed index sitting over in extreme fear, and it's been sitting in extreme fear. So seeing Cardano making some pretty good moves this moment is a really good sign. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to talk about what's currently going on with Cardano, do a bit of a technical analysis, and give a little bit of my price prediction on where do I see Cardano going. So as we do get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread the videos to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to it. Now, the price that we're currently sitting at above $1.50 is a very crucial resistance that Cardano does need to get over and find support. Now, looking at the past here, looking at how in December, at the end of December, Cardano was not able to find support above 150, and we had seen the price tip over and fall back down to a new support. And now we're on the rise again here, and so hopefully this go around we can find support above the 150 price, and this could be what would lead Cardano into a big breakout like we had seen in the past, like we saw back in August of 2021 when Cardano did break through that $1.50 price and then was able to find support and continue going up from there, which led Cardano into its all-time high at around $3.10, and that was during the Alonzo update. Now, currently, Cardano is the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And this is, again, they are the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, where Solana had this number for a while there, whereas Solana has taken a bit of pullback and now is currently the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap with a market cap of $43.15 billion. Whereas Cardano, whose 7-day price has gone up almost 30%, and its market cap is about $48.7 billion. Now, the main reason for this sudden rise in the price of Cardano has to do with the fact that Cardano briefly surpasses Ethereum's transaction volume. And if we look at it at this moment, over the last 24 hours, Cardano's transaction volume is still very close to Ethereum's. And I have to agree with Charles Hoskinson here. Things are just getting started. It's still January. There's a lot more to come from Cardano from here. Now, other big news for Cardano is that SundaeSwap Labs has announced on Twitter that the SundaeSwap mainnet launch and ISO is going to be on Thursday, January 20th, Eastern Standard Time. Now, for those of you that are not aware of what SundaeSwap is a fully functional, decentralized exchange in the Cardano ecosystem. And SundaeSwap is a really big deal because if you look at SundaeSwap's Twitter account, they have more than 268,000 followers, which is much more than many cryptocurrencies by themselves have that follow their Twitter accounts. And we're talking about just a DEX within the Cardano ecosystem. And Cardano is also stealing a lot of the thunder away from Decentraland and the Sandbox with news of the first Cardano Meraverse PAVIA. Now let's analyze the price of Cardano more and then go into a price prediction. Now this $1.50 resistance is a very crucial price for Cardano. Not just because we have history of it surpassing that and the price continue going up. We have history of that in August 2021, and we have history of that in May of 2021. But there have been multiple times that the price had gotten to that $1.50 resistance and it wasn't able to hold, and we had seen it dropping. We saw that in March, April, May, and then eventually in May it had broken through, and then when it had not been able to hold that price above that on a very brief rally that it had, then we had seen the price then fall back through in June, and then into July, and then it wasn't until we then again saw it break through in August 2021, where that rally was very massive, and in comparison to that time then when we had seen it reach its all-time high, what was driving it then? It was the adoption of the smart contract capabilities with the Alonzo hard fork. It was the Cardano Summit. It was all the information coming out that we were going to be getting all these things with Cardano. But there was a lot of activity within the whole crypto market during that time that a lot of the newer investors that had invested into Cardano at that time were getting impatient. There's been a lot of criticism with Cardano that has happened during that time. And a lot of that is due to the fact that a lot of the things that were coming out with the Alonzo update, it takes time. It took time to get the smart contract applications and all that stuff to start rolling out. It wasn't just a snap of a fingers thing, and all these amazing things were just instantly available. That wasn't the case. It takes time to really build out the ecosystem, and that's what has been transitioning from that time into now. It is much more developed now in comparison to where it was when Cardano was worth twice as much as it is right now. And the interesting thing here is that a lot of the critics still have not gone away. There's still a lot of people that are criticizing it without really looking into what is now available on Cardano. Now, a lot of the things that had drove this price up back then, they're out now. And that's one of the things that I think is going to really advance the price of Cardano much more than where it was when we had seen it above $3. That's why I'm thinking we could possibly see it easily trend back up to that price, and I think we're going to get a lot of resistance as we are trending that direction. We'll probably see a bit of resistance above $2, and we'll see a much more resistance as we do go above $3 for sure. But I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a good rally from Cardano to happen with all the new news that has been coming out, and with how things do go with all the new applications that are starting to drop. I think that we could see the price of Cardano going to around $5 at some point here over these next few months. That wouldn't surprise me, especially if we do see the whole crypto market start to do another rally. That would be another thing that I would think would happen. But anyways, I'd like to hear what everybody's thoughts are with Cardano. Do you guys think that we could possibly be seeing the price of ADA going into a big breakout? And I know I made videos saying that before, but I think that we could be seeing that happen at this moment. And I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions of that. So please do me a huge favor. What do you guys think about Cardano right now? And where do you guys see it going by the end of, let's say, the end of 2022? Where do you guys predict that it's going to go? But I think we're going to see it easily go to the price of $5. And then if not, even by the end of 2022, go to a price of $7 to even $10, I think could be a big possibility. But I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out of the channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video coming very soon.